This is the elevator at Sewall Hall, it's called?
Sewall.
Sewall. Sewall Hall.
Yeah.
It's a 1929 Otis. And then, just get a picture of these buttons.
Oh, yeah.
Oh wow, the gate's automatic, huh?
Yeah, if that door is open too long, it defaults to the first floor.
Oh, gotcha.
And this is the dining hall. Dining hall uses this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Interesting. This must be one of the last original elevators on the campus, right?
Yeah, it would be the earliest one, yeah.
Really?
Because Sewall was built or opened in 1934.
Uh-huh.
You can see right here, we
Uh-huh.
had to have someone, it says this is a 1929 elevator.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, this kept getting stuck on the fourth floor, and we'd have to have an elevator guy come out and fix it. So
Oh, really?
we put that there to say don't leave it on the fourth floor.
And what company fixes all the elevators here? Is it Minnesota Elevator?
No, it's not Minnesota. What is it?
Do you care if I take a ride up and down? Or if we...
Oh yeah. Let's
Awesome.
go to the fourth floor.
Awesome. Oh, that's very neat. It's got two doors here. Interesting. How come you guys decided to keep this one original? Just
Well, I don't know. It wasn't really up to me.
fair enough.
Yes, we're on the fourth floor now, and
Gotcha.
but yeah, I guess it's just up to upper administration, as to why we still have it. It's probably just a matter of it being too expensive to replace, and
And it works
it
fine
still
as
works.
is.
Yeah, and there's another one on the other side. And,
Oh, really?
And it works with the card.
Oh, the card?
Yeah,
Okay.
they put a deal to where you have to use the card.
Oh,
And
interesting.
this uses a key.
Gotcha.
And you go to the basement.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. I have a few minutes to kill my work days over here, so.
Oh, that's nice. You on your weekend now?
Yep.
That's
well,
nice.
Almost. Another half hour. And with the basement.
Nice. That's neat. And I'm sure this is on all the original relay controllers and logic, right?
I would guess, yes.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of scary. You see how that thing closed? You don't want your hand anywhere
Yeah,
near that.
exactly.
You'd lose a couple fingers.
No, for sure. Doesn't have something to stop it like modern ones do.
Yeah. Well, do you want another ride or
Sure, I'll do one more.
up to the third floor?
Yeah, this is really cool.
Yeah, I imagine it's the oldest elevator on campus, unless Old Main has an elevator, and I doubt it.
Gotcha. Awesome. Ready to go back down?
Okay, what floor did you want to go to?
I think whatever floor I can exit at.
Oh, okay, well, we'll go to 2.
Okay, cool.
That's the 8th floor. I don't think I'd appreciate you going through the dining hall, though.
What? Oh, yeah, so I'll get off on 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much.